Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Google account and that Google One is active because backups tie to that account. Open the Google One app or Android settings Google Backup and tap Backup Now to start a baseline. Once done, choose Categories, Photos, Contacts, Messages, and Device Settings so you control storage usage. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. This speeds upload and prevents interruptions during the initial full backup. Next, you configure details to balance quality and space. Select Original for full resolution or Storage Saver to save GBs. Once you pick photo quality, include specific folders and apps you want backed up. This prevents redundant files. Make sure automatic backup frequency is enabled and restrict uploads to Wi-Fi or while charging if you prefer. These rules prevent battery drain and surprise data use. Finally, verify app data and device settings toggles. So to finish, run a manual backup and confirm the completion time shown in the Google One app so you know it succeeded. Once done, you can test a restore by signing into another device and checking contacts, photos, or app settings to verify integrity. If things go wrong, make sure you have enough Google One storage, that you're signed into the correct account, and that network access isn't blocked. If backups still fail, toggle backup off and on or clear app cache to force a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.